Hey Fabs, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you to one of the easiest thing to cook. Pancit Bihon noodle soup. I find it good in winter to keep us warm and cozy. So we have chicken. For our noodle soup, seasoned it with pepper, paprika, and a bit of lemon juice. Now let's saute garlic and onion in olive oil. And let's add tomatoes. Then the chicken, and let's cook for about 5 minutes or until it turns light brown. I add some spices and herbs. I also add dried lemongrass and ground ginger. At this point, we will pour in the chicken broth and water. Let it boil and simmer for about 40 minutes. We will now add our vegetables, the celery and carrots. Important to check the vegetables not to overcook. I-stir natin occasionally ang sabaw. And now let's add the bihon. Let's stir it and cook for about 3 minutes. Well, I think it's ready na, so let's patay na the fire and serve hot. Looks tasty. I am really craving for this recipe for 2 days now. Too bad I don't have scallions. I have parsley instead. Well, they're just the same green. And I also made toasted garlic for our toppings. And of course, di mawawala ang hard-boiled egg. So come on guys, let's enjoy this warm noodle soup with chicken. Buon appetito! Let's squeeze some lemon. So ayan, thank you so much guys for your time and effort watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you again next time. Ciao everyone! So good.